Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Here I will present the result of my material entitled Chapter 9 Textbook and Discourse. In Chapter 9, the focus is on textbooks and discourse. Section 9.1 explains that a textbook is a type of book written and published as the primary teaching tool in a subject. Its purpose is to provide the necessary information and knowledge for students to understand a particular topic. Textbooks are used in schools and universities to assist students in comprehending complex concepts and theories. They are authored by experts and educators in the respective fields. Textbooks are also categorized based on educational levels, such as those for elementary, middle, and higher education. Section 9.2 The function of textbooks. Important function of textbooks in language teaching and learning. Konigsword highlights 7 strategies function of textbooks, including as a source of material for oral and written language skills. Students' communication practice activities, references for studying grammar, vocabulary, and so on. Apart from that, textbooks are also considered as a source of ideas and stimulus for teaching and learning activities in the classroom. Curriculum realization as well as assistance for less experienced teachers, while accommodating the interests of both students and teachers. The paragraph notes that the focus of education, particularly language teaching, is increasingly student-centered. Finally, this paragraph highlights efforts to improve textbook quality by emphasizing engaging content, alignment with curriculum, and inclusion of diverse perspectives, while noting criticism of textbook limitations and potential short-sightedness. Cramps and costs. Research found that textbooks can be a valuable resource for language learners to build linguistic and cultural competence. Further research by Javed and Malik also supports the effectiveness of using textbooks as the main teaching material in English as a foreign language (EFL) classes, which can improve learning outcomes and help language learners acquire linguistic and cultural skills. Although textbooks are not the only important resource for learning a foreign language, they can be a useful tool for teachers and students to improve language skills. Section 9.3 The nexus between curriculum and textbooks. The relationship between curriculum and textbook in the language learning process. The curriculum provides the framework for that will be taught, while the textbook serves as a tool to convey that content to students. Recent research emphasizes the importance of strong correlation between curriculum and textbooks, with the finding that high levels of correlation can improve learning outcomes. Well designed curriculum unaligned textbooks can be a valuable resource for teachers and students, helping to fill the gap between the desired and implemented curriculum. Overall, the research shows a strong connection between curriculum and textbook is essential for effective language learning. Section 9.4 Standardization of EFL Textbook standardization of English textbooks for foreign language learners, which has undergone significant change recently due to the increasing demand for English language skills in the global market. The current standard is a communicative approach that focuses on the use of functional language in real-life situations. The principles of communicative language teaching (CLT) are considered the best basis for English textbooks, with an emphasis on language production by learners. Uh, Example of modern textbooks include the American English File, which is designed for American English learners and follows the European Language Framework of Reference (CEFR). The book includes a multimedia component and focuses on developing practical language skills for real-life situations. In conclusion, current standards include communicative approaches, CEFR, cultural awareness, and technology integration to improve learners' English language skills and cross-cultural competence in a globalized world. Section 9.5 The characteristics of a good textbook. Characteristics of a good textbook for learners of English as a foreign language (EFL). The first textbook should be designed to make the language easily accessible to learners, including basic usage, grammar, and syntax, appropriate to their level of understanding. The second, textbooks should provide many opportunities for practice and application of language skills through a variety of exercises, activities, and assessments. Third, textbooks should be engaging for learners with content that is relevant and culturally relatable and inclusive. The fourth, textbooks should be structured in a logical and clear manner, having a well-defined structure and sequence of topics to enable learners to gradually master language skills. Finally, textbooks should be customizable and flexible, allowing teachers to adapt content and activities to suit their students' specific needs and learning styles. That's all I can explain, more or less. Upload, guys. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.